Okay, so I have just quickly rushed to work because I'm going to be late, as always. But first things first, I just want to clear one thing up for you guys watching this video. Now, I am a massive believer in trying to get all of your nutrition from your food. However, sometimes when you're living a busy lifestyle and you've got to go to work and you're running around here and there and everywhere, sometimes a supplement can be handy. So what I mean by supplement, so I'm going to be working all day. I only get chance to have one meal, so I'll have to have a little meal in between the supplements. So I'm going to go to the shop quickly and buy a protein bar, a very low carb, high protein bar. It's dead cheap. Now again, I don't always advise people to have supplements. As I said, try to get everything you can from food, but sometimes a supplement is handy. And remember, a supplement is called a supplement because it is just a supplement. So at work, mid-afternoon, I do get hungry, so I'm going to have a protein bar and maybe it's a banana or an apple, just keep us ticking over until my lunch, and then obviously when I finish, I'll then go to the gym. So there is a B&M store, or is it Home Bargains? It's one of the two. B&M store, Home Bargains, right next to our work. So I'm going to quickly run there, grab a protein bar, and then I'm going to get straight to work. And I think that's it. I've got a full afternoon of patients today, so my job today is sitting with patients, giving them advice on how to lose weight and how to have a healthier lifestyle. So I think it's only fair and only right that I am practicing what I'm preaching and telling people what to eat, which is good. Okay, so all afternoon I'm going to be sitting helping people who are living with obesity, who have diabetes, who just want a better, healthier, active lifestyle. And I absolutely love my job working in a GP surgery for the NHS. It's so satisfying, especially when people come to see me and they get in the scales and they have lost weight. And I can be honest, every one of my patients so far, when they've came to see me, have gotten the scales and lost weight. So fingers crossed, my patients today, when I stick them on the scales, will have lost weight. Okay, so hopefully I know a little bit about what I'm talking about, if that makes any sense. Right, I'm going to go to the shop and get a protein bar. So it was a Home Bargains, not a B&M store. I thought it was B&M store, but it's not. It's Home Bargains. Let's go and grab a protein bar. How about all that diet wear, battle bites, cookie. No, I think it's gonna have to be diet wear. I think it's gonna have to be. I think it's going to have to be a couple of these bad boys because it's going to be a long, busy and hungry day. Okay, so I've grabbed me protein bars. I am super happy, but I must run to work now because I'm going to be super duper late. So best get a move on because I've got an afternoon sitting in this sweltering heat talking to patients about low carb diets. Yay! So when I have my lunch later, I shall show you how it looks, and I'll check back in soon. I am absolutely shattered from a full afternoon of giving people advice on weight loss, and now I need to fuel up myself and go and get some food because I am absolutely starving. When you spend your full day chatting to people about food and how to lose weight and food and carbs and more food and all the things you shouldn't be eating, your stomach is grumbling and you just need some food. So I'm going to go and smash my lunch now because I'm absolutely starving. I'll give you a quick look what it looks like. Day is nearly done. Hot. So you can see all that spinach. There was loads in it before, but now it's all disappeared. So there you go. That is lunch, chicken, rice and spinach, and I've got it all over the table at work, so that's not going to be good. Gonna get wrong for that. So I'm going to quickly eat my food and then get straight back to work. You know when you always get that one mirror at work that makes you look slimmer than all the rest. Brilliant. Let's get this camera. Trying to get this camera to stand up. Okay guys, so we have skipped forward to the future. I was at work last time you saw, eating my chicken and rice. Today I am now working in, let me just show you, this is my friend's health food supplement shop. So he is on holiday, so he's kindly asked me if I would watch the shop for a couple of days, and it is absolutely boiling outside in the UK today, and I'm stuck here in this very hot supplement shop, hence why I got my top off. Getting a lot of customers giving us the raised eyebrow when you're coming in. Anyway, so the other day I was at work, I showed you my chicken and rice, and then I was going to go to the gym, and then I was going to show you what I had after that. Unfortunately, I'll be quite honest, I was absolutely shattered by the time me and the missus finished work and we got home. But I did have, I'll tell you, 2 slices of ancient grains bread with 6 eggs, 2 yolks, actually fried in spray oil. And that was my next meal. And then before I went to bed, I actually had one of these skyr yogurts. Okay, so today, because I am in the supplement shop now, although I am surrounded by protein bars and protein cookies and everything, I've actually brought my food in to work today. And this is 50 grams dry weight of oats, and there's a little scoop of peanut butter in there. And for my next meal is going to be this skyr yogurt. So, you know, it's just quick, simple food to have on the go. As I said, I'm surrounded by absolutely tons and tons and tons of protein supplements, but I've got to keep it sensible, and I'm going to try and get some real food in my body. Now, although I am working in the supplement shop, check this out. Oh, in the UK, I'm from Newcastle, and the temperature is like 30 degrees. So I am here at my friend's shop, XXX Nutrition, and while it's quiet, I'm going to work on the tan and get a nice bronzed look ready from the hood. I literally can't see anything, it's so bright, so bright. So anyway, I don't want to waffle on too much. This was just a quick video showing you my full day of eating. You've seen breakfast, you've seen snacks, you've seen lunch, you've seen, you know, I'm at work at the supplement shop, I'm just having oatmeal, peanut butter and protein yogurt. So it is very, very simple, and lots of walking. I must stress that this here has really come off because I'm doing a lot of walking. When I say a lot of walking, I mean literally I am trying to walk everywhere. I'm going to finish here today, and I'm probably going to walk into Newcastle city centre, which is about 17,000 steps, grab a coffee and then walk back again. So I would say my biggest tip for you if you want to lose weight is cardio, walking. Obviously diet as well, but honestly, walk, 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 and walk even more. It's good for your health. It's good because it's going to save you money on fuel in the car, but literally just try to walk everywhere you can. This is the best advice I can give you. Yes, going to the gym is good, and yes, 80% of your results are going to come from your diet, but seriously, try and use your feet. Try to move more. If you walk, especially when the weather's like this, look, you're going to reap the benefits, and you're going to see and feel slimmer and better. Okay, I'm going to leave this video at that because I don't want to go on and on and on and on about nutrition. I just want to show you basically what I eat. Eggs, oatmeal, chicken, rice, protein yogurts. It's as simple as that. If you like this video, give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, smash the subscribe button because it will massively help the channel. I am really trying to make this channel grow now, especially that I'm working for the NHS as a healthy weight coach and trying to advise people on a healthier lifestyle and how to lose weight. So I'm trying more to practice what I preach. And also remember, I don't know if I've mentioned this, but maybe it's in 2 months' time, at the age of 44, I might get back on that stage and compete in a male model swimwear or men's physique show again. I've had 3 years off because of COVID. If I can get this weight off, I'm going to get in that stage. I'm going to prove that you can do it. Okay? Follow my journey. Stay with me. Until then, stay safe. Take care. And I'm out of here because I'm hungry. I need some more food. Mwah! Do widzenia.